Exciting news coming your way. Instant Funding has packed the month with some amazing deals, contests, and unique challenges. And if you're looking to level up your trading game, now is definitely the time to jump in. Before we kick off, we're delighted to announce that Instant Funding have provided us with an exclusive coupon code for 10% off and a free account of the same size after reaching a payout. Just use the coupon code PropChoiceMatch at checkout. And now, let's talk about some of those killer discounts and updates for the month of November. For a limited time, you can use code Diwali to get 20% off on any product. And to celebrate Halloween, use code Halloween for an exclusive 90% profit split, 0 minimum trading days, plus a randomly selected spooky account added to your dashboard with every purchase. Now, what exactly are these Halloween accounts? Each one is based on the classic $100,000 one-phase challenge, but with a fun, spooky twist. You might get the vampire account, with a solid 30% profit target, or perhaps the zombie account, where you'll need to keep an eye on a 1% daily drawdown. There's even the werewolf account, which comes with a 10% profit split. And here's the fun twist. It's completely random. Every time you use the code Halloween for a purchase between now and November 12th, a Halloween account will appear in your dashboard, ready for action. And it doesn't stop there. In the lead up to Black Friday, they're also kicking off a brand new trading tournament. So keep your eyes peeled for more details. And remember, for the best deal in the prop trading world, you can use our exclusive Prop Choice Match coupon code that gives you 10% off and a free account of the same size once you reach your first payout. Also, to keep the party going, Instant Funding has another fun giveaway happening over on their Discord. Just share your best Halloween decorations or carved pumpkins by November 8th in the contest channel. The community will vote for the top 3 winners. With free accounts and other awesome prizes, you'll want to make those pumpkins as spooky or creative as you can. That's a lot to pack into one video. From exclusive promo codes to special Halloween accounts, giveaways, and upcoming tournaments, Instant Funding has absolutely loaded up this season with incredible perks. Get in on the action now, and let's make this a Halloween and Black Friday to remember. As always, there will be lots more competitions and updates coming soon. Make sure to subscribe to be the first to know. Thanks for watching.